Hello, and welcome to our deep dive today. We are so happy that you are here with us.
Yes, hello to you. We are very glad you were listening, and learning with us today will be easy. It will be fun.
Right. Very fun. Today we have a clear, a simple mission for you. We are going to learn 5 daily English words.
5 words. Yes.
And all of these words are about one thing. They're about social energy.
Social energy.
Because, being around other people changes how we feel. It really does.
It does. Yes. Sometimes we feel very good when we are with our friends. We feel happy.
Right. But sometimes we feel very tired. Talking to people is hard work.
Yes, it is. So this deep dive will help you. It will help you talk about those tired feelings.
Exactly. We are going to use 5 special words to talk about those feelings.
And we will go through the words one by one, very slowly. You will do great.
So let us begin. We will start with the first word. The first word is social battery.
Right. Social battery. This is a very good phrase.
What is the simple meaning of this phrase?
Well, it is your energy for talking to people. That is it.
Your energy for talking.
Yes. Your social battery is how much energy you have to be around other people.
Okay, I have a specific question to clarify this for you, the listener. Is this just like a phone battery?
Yes, exactly like that.
Because, when you use a mobile phone a lot, the battery goes down, it goes to 0.
Right. It goes to 0%.
So when you are around people for a long time, do you get tired in the same way, like a phone?
Yes, you do. When you're around people for a long time, you get tired. Your brain gets tired.
Oh, I see.
So when your social battery is empty, it means you need to go home. You need to rest alone.
You must rest alone. You cannot stay at the party.
Right. You have 0 power left.
Okay, let us look at the example sentence for this word. I will read it very slowly for you.
Please do.
Here's the example sentence. I've been at this party all night, and my social battery is at 0%.
That is a great sentence. Let us read it one more time.
Okay. I've been at this party all night, and my social battery is at 0%.
Right. The most important part of that sentence is the end. The phrase, at 0%.
At 0%. It means nothing is left.
Yes. It means, you cannot talk anymore. You cannot smile anymore. You just need to go home.
Right. The feeling of needing to go home, we all know that feeling.
We do. It is very normal.
Okay, so let us move to the next idea. Because, when people are at a party and their social battery is getting low, things happen.
Yes, they do. Things change.
Right. When your battery's low, sometimes talking gets weird. It gets uncomfortable.
Yes, it gets very strange.
And this brings us to word number 2. The second phrase is awkward turtle.
Awkward turtle. I love this phrase.
It is a funny one. What is the simple meaning of awkward turtle?
Well, it is a funny phrase for weird, quiet moments.
Weird, quiet moments.
Right. When you do not know what to say, and it is very quiet.
Let me set up a mental picture for you, the listener. Let us imagine a story.
Okay, a picture is good.
Imagine you're at a party. Someone tells a bad joke.
Right. A joke that is not funny at all.
Yes. And nobody laughs. The joke is finished, but nobody laughs.
Oh, that is the worst feeling.
It is. It is super quiet in the room. It is strange. People look at the floor.
Yes. And that exact uncomfortable moment, people call that an awkward turtle.
Wow. An awkward turtle. So they use the name of an animal.
Yes, an animal.
Yeah.
Because, a turtle hides inside its shell when it is scared.
Oh, I see. So when the joke is bad, we want to hide.
Right. We want to hide, just like a turtle.
Let us practice the example sentence for this word. Could you read it slowly for us?
Yes, I will read it. Here's the simple example. Nobody laughed at his joke. It was total awkward turtle.
Oh, that is great. Let us listen to that again.
Nobody laughed at his joke. It was total awkward turtle.
Total awkward turtle.
Right. We say total to show that it was a very big, very weird moment.
It feels so quiet and so strange. The words total awkward turtle are fun to say.
They are. You, the listener, should practice saying it out loud. Total awkward turtle.
It really helps you feel the meaning of the word.
Yes, it does.
Well, to avoid those strange awkward turtle moments, some people do something different.
Right. Some people choose not to talk very much at all.
Because if you do not talk, you do not tell bad jokes.
Exactly. You stay safe. And this leads us to word number 3.
Word number 3 is wallflower.
Wallflower. That is one word. Wallflower.
The simple meaning of a wallflower is a shy person at a party.
Yes, a shy person. Let us explain this slowly.
Please do. What does a wallflower do?
Well, a wallflower is someone who stands near the wall at a party.
Near the wall. not in the middle of the room.
Right, far away from the middle. They do not dance. They do not talk much.
So what do they do all night?
They just like to watch people. They watch the party.
Okay, let me ask a question so the listener can picture this. Are they like a real flower growing on a wall?
Yes, that is exactly the picture.
Wait, really? Just standing there and watching, like a quiet plant?
Yes. A flower does not talk. A flower does not dance. It just stays in one place on the wall.
Oh, wow. That makes it so easy to remember. They are a flower on the wall, a wallflower.
It is a very beautiful picture for a simple word.
Let us slowly read the simple example sentence for this word.
Okay, I am listening.
Tom is a wallflower. He just stands by the door and drinks his juice.
That is a perfect example.
Let me read it again for you. Tom is a wallflower. He just stands by the door and drinks his juice.
Let us talk about Tom for a minute.
Yes, let us look at Tom. Tom is standing by the door.
Right. The door is next to the wall. He is safe there.
And he is drinking his juice. Why is that important?
Because drinking juice perfectly shows what a wallflower does. He is quiet. He is busy with his drink.
He does not have to talk. He just drinks.
Exactly. He is just watching the party, happy with his juice.
Okay, but this makes me think, why does someone like Tom want to be a wallflower?
That is a very good question.
Because, other people want to dance. Other people want to tell jokes and talk loud.
Right. People are very different from each other.
So why is Tom different?
The answer is our next word. Word number 4. Well, it is actually 2 words.
2 words. Okay, what are they?
The words are introvert and extrovert.
Introvert and extrovert. These are big words.
They are big, but the simple meaning is easy.
What is the simple meaning?
It is about how you get your energy.
How you get your energy. Okay.
Let us break down the 2 types slowly for you. First, we have introverts.
Right. Introverts. Like Tom the wallflower.
Yes, often like Tom. Introverts like quiet time alone to feel good.
Quiet time alone.
Yes, that is how they get their energy back. They need quiet.
And what about extroverts?
Extroverts are the opposite. Extroverts like being around lots of friends to feel good.
Lots of friends. Loud parties.
Exactly. Big groups give them energy.
Let me push back slightly just to clarify this for the listener.
Of course. Ask away.
So an introvert is not just a shy wallflower at a party.
No, not just shy.
They are someone who actually needs to be alone to feel good.
Yes, that is the difference. It is a true need. If they do not get quiet time, their social battery goes to 0.
Oh, I see. They must be alone to recharge their battery.
Right, but an extrovert charges their battery by being at the party.
Wow, so they're complete opposites.
Yes. Let us look at the simple example sentence. I will read it for you.
Thank you.
She is an introvert, so she stays home, but her brother is an extrovert and loves big parties.
That is a great sentence to show the difference. Let us read it again.
She is an introvert, so she stays home, but her brother is an extrovert and loves big parties.
The sister and the brother, they are in the same family, but they are so different.
Right. The sister stays home. She needs quiet.
And the brother is at the big parties. He needs the noise and the friends.
Exactly. You listening right now should think about this. Which one are you?
Yes, think about it. Do you like quiet or do you like big parties? Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
It is very interesting to think about.
It is. But whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, sometimes there is another problem.
Another problem. What do you mean?
Well, sometimes you care too much about what your friends think.
Oh, yes. That is very true for many people.
You want your friends to be happy, so you do things you do not want to do.
Right. And this brings us to our final word, word number 5.
Word number 5 is people pleaser.
People pleaser. A person who pleases people.
What is the simple meaning of a people pleaser?
It is someone who cannot say no.
They cannot say no.
Never. A person who always says yes to everyone.
Always says yes. Why do they do that?
They do this because they want people to like them.
They want to be liked, so they agree to do everything.
Yes. And here's the most important part of the explanation.
Okay, I am listening.
They say yes even when they are busy or tired.
Wait, really? If they're tired and their social battery is empty, they still say yes?
Yes, they do. That is why it is so difficult.
Oh, wow. Their battery's at 0%, but they still go to the party because they cannot say no.
Right, because they want to please their friends.
That sounds very hard. They must be so tired.
They are very tired. It is a hard way to live.
Let us read the simple example sentence for people pleaser.
Please, go ahead.
Don't be a people pleaser. It's okay to say no to your friend.
That is a very important lesson. Let us hear it again.
Don't be a people pleaser. It's okay to say no to your friend.
It is okay to say no.
Yes. You, the listener, need to remember this. Saying no is an okay thing to do.
Right. If your battery is empty, you must say no. You must rest.
Your friends will understand it is okay.
It is perfectly okay.
Well, we have learned so much today.
We really have 5 excellent new words.
Could you slowly review all 5 words one last time, just so the listener can hear them together?
I would love to. Let us review. First, we had social battery.
Your energy for talking to people.
Second, we had awkward turtle.
The funny phrase for a weird, quiet moment.
Third was wallflower.
A shy person who stands by the wall at a party.
Fourth was introvert and extrovert.
Words about how you get your energy from quiet or from parties.
And fifth was people pleaser.
Someone who cannot say no.
Excellent. You can hear how all these words connect to social energy.
They fit together like a puzzle.
Yes, they do.
Now, before we say goodbye, I want to leave you with a final question to think about.
A question for the listener.
Yes, a question to combine these ideas. Listen carefully.
Okay, we are listening.
If an introvert needs quiet, alone time to feel good,
Right, they need quiet.
but they're also a people pleaser who always says yes to parties,
Oh no, that is a bad combination.
how fast will their social battery go to zero?
Wow, that is a big question.
Think about it. An introvert who cannot say no, their battery will go to zero very, very fast.
So fast. They really need to learn how to say no.
They do. It is a great thing to think about.
Well, you, the listener, did a great job learning today.
You really did. We are so proud of you for practicing your English with us.
Yes, learning these words is a big step.
And we want you to practice. Please, practice rating your own simple sentences with these words.
Right. Write them in the comments below.
Yes, write a sentence in the comments.
Yeah.
Use social battery or awkward turtle. We want to read them.
We will read them all. Thank you for your time today.
Have a wonderful day. Take care of your social battery, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.